how does cathodic protection for concrete work and how is it installed? Well, let's not forget, if we come back to the science, basic science of CP, you have an anode and a cathode. In this particular case, our cathode is the steel embedded in the concrete mix. And our anode, we're going to be choosing, and we typically choose what are called dimensionally stable anodes. These are made from titanium. We come onto the site and typically the entire rebar cage is made ready. Once the rebar cage is ready, which is our cathode, on top of it or at the bottom of it, we lay our anodes. These are strips. So we lay them at maybe 200 to 400 millimeters centers. And all of these anode strips are connected together into one big mesh. That mesh has cables coming out of it. And those cables are terminated in a DC power supply unit. Once we install our full mesh, we allow the contractor to pour. And he starts pouring. While the pouring is going on, it is critical that the anode does not touch your steel. If it touches the steel, you have what we call a short circuit, and that can totally destroy the entire cathodic protection system, making it benign. Once it's fully cast, we can put up the power supply unit, connect the steel, connect the anode, and put the system on. And what happens is that then the anode starts energizing or pushing ionic current down to the steel, which cathodically protects the steel. A very important thing to remember, when we design this anode mesh and everything associated with it, we do it in accordance with international standards. You have the American standards and the British standards, but what's important is that your CP system is designed according to these standards. Number two, ensure and make sure that the designer is a certified designer. That way you're sure that whatever is being deployed is to the highest level of standards.